So semester 2 first unit differential equation. What is differential equation means? An equation involving differential or one dependent variable and its derivative with respect to one or more independent variables is called a differential equations. So example, this one, this is a differential equation. X is a independent variable, y is a dependent variable. X is a independent variable, y is a dependent variable. Okay, so this is independent variables one or more, but dependent variable only one. This is called a differential equation. dy by dx equal to x by y. So differential equations two types: ordinary differential equation, partial differential equation. So differential equation is said to be ordinary if the derivative in the equation have reference to only a single independent variable. So this is a dy by dx whole cube minus 4 into dy by dx whole square plus 7 cos x. This is independent variable, this is independent variable. Only one independent variable is called ordinary differential equations. But partial differential equation means dou z by dou x equal to minus dou z by dou y. This is a two or more independent variables. This is a partial differential equation. This is ordinary differential equation example. This is a partial differential equation. This one, partial differential equation. The differential equation is said to be partial means two or more independent variables. This side dou z by dou x whole square plus dou z by dou y whole square equal 4z. This is a partial differential equation. Next to order of a differential equation means how many times differential this type. So this is x square plus 1 of dy by dx plus 2xy equal to 4x square. This is a differential equation. What is order means only one time derivative. So this is order is 1. In this differential equations, d square by dx square. So 2 time differential. So order is 2. So that is important. How many time derivative, that is important. And differential equation form this one: f of x comma y, y dash, y double dash up to sun, y power of n. This is form is equal to 0. This is general form. Next to degree. Degree means in this differential equation dy by dx, what is power? 1. So that is 1 is a degree. In this differential equation d square by dx square, so what is power? 1. So this is a degree is 1. So this is also examples degrees. Next to main variable separable method. So this is a dy by dx is equal to f of x comma y. This is a differential equation form. First method, variable separable method. What is variable separable method means dy by dx equal to f of x by g of y. So y terms one side, x term one side, and do it both side integrating. So integrating g of y dy equal to integration f of x dx plus c. So both side you can do it integrations and you can find the solution. Example, dy by dx equal to minus under root of 1 minus y square by 1 minus x square. So this is by using variable separable method. Total y terms one side, dy by under root of 1 minus y square equal to minus dx this side, dx by under root of 1 minus x square. So direct formula, integration under root of integration 1 by under root of 1 minus x square dx means sin inverse x. So this is a sin inverse y, this is a sin inverse x. Final answer sin inverse x plus sin inverse y equal to c. So next one, this one, dy by dx equal to 1 plus x square by 1 plus y square by 1 plus x square. This is differential equation. And find the general solution means applying the variable separable method. Y term one side, x term one side, dy by 1 plus y square equal dx by 1 plus x square. And integrating on both sides, this is tan inverse y, this is tan inverse x. So tan inverse y equal tan inverse x plus c. Next question, this one. So this is x is outside. So 1 plus y square dx plus y is outside, x square plus 1 dy. So x term separate, y term separate. So this is integration x by 1 plus x square dx is equal to minus integration y by 1 plus y square dy. What is integration process means? 1 derivative 0, x square derivative 2x. So both sides I am selecting 2. 1 plus x square derivative, this is 0, this is 2x. This is also 1 plus y square derivative, this is 0, this is 2y. So this is formula. Integration f dash of x by f of x dx equal to log of f of x. Denominator term you can do it derivative, that is come to the numerator form. So that is a log of 1 plus x square is equal to minus log of 1 plus y square plus log c. So total logarithm terms come this side. Total log of ab log a plus log b form. Total log is cancelled. 1 plus x square into 1 plus y square equal to c. So last problem, dy by dx is equal to x by y. So both side integration y dy equal to integration x dx. So y square by 2 equal to x square by 2 plus c. So this is the method, variable separable method.